Welcome to my allotment in East Sussex. It's been a really hot week, hot and sticky, and what we really need is some rain. But let's see what we've been doing for last week. Okay?
Continuing on from last week, I finally completed the roof on the dog kennel, which has created some interest from fellow plot holders who have followed its progress from its beginning.
I love the doghouse. Can I crawl into it and say I'm in the doghouse?
Yeah.
Are you in there?
No, there's no. He only goes in when he hears the gunshots.
As said in the intro, it has been warm, each day becoming the hottest day as the week proceeded. In these weather conditions, the only programme of work is weeding, watering and early starts, interspersed with the occasional filling in of gaps within the line of seedlings. I've given up with the volunteers in the runner bean bed. They do say a volunteer is worth 10 press men, so these spuds are making a company. Welcome aboard, men. My Nadine have flowered this week, which is encouraging, but the appearance of the cheapo King Edwards is satisfying, for after just a week from planting they are showing signs. Keeping the compost moist is proving to be a constant challenge. The gooseberries are showing a good crop, but they are not ripe yet, and to assist with their development I'm picking every other one on the bush. Strawberries are becoming ripe, and these were picked before the mice had a go. The warm weather and resultant watering empties the water stations I positioned on my plot, which require refilling using a hose. Watering one's plot directly with a hose is not allowed. Access around the plot is not easy due to my inherent untidiness. Therefore, a big tidy up is called for, and I mean a big tidy up. This chard requires removing, but for the moment I'll just tidy it up and assess the quality of the produce. It's not very good, so for now I'll compost it. Again, the Swiss chard on the other side of the bed requires clearing and tidying up as well. And this also is removed to the compost bins. Now there is one ray of sunshine within this theoretical tragic scenario which has allowed a toad hidey hole to take up residence unnoticed. And do you know how many slugs a toad eats in a day to maintain its waistline? A lot. I can now move around the plot, and I can now concentrate on preparing a second brassica bed, which for this season has been designated to raised bed 9, which requires the enviro frames to be removed. The white tag I am placing is a marker where I have just removed a bindweed strand. 3 seasons ago I had 12 markers, last season 5 markers, this season I have 2 markers. It's a slow job. This is the 3rd season of no dig on this bed. Last season the crop was roots, giving me my first success on this allotment site with carrots. Brassicas I prefer an initial layer of mushroom compost to continue the regime. This trolley runs on 4 fixed wheels, which benefits to a clear run on a recently tidy site. On my part is to show you my celeriac seedlings. Unintentional, but they are ready now for planting out next week. And today I have been reminded by my calendar to inspect the broad bean tips for blackfly, and as you can see they are now clear. Instructions on the bottle recommended a second spraying, to which I will carry out next week. Last week I noticed one of my blueberry plants had been blown over in the wind, so I entered the cage to place it upright. This plant had a sprunt of a sycamore seedling growing in the pot, which required removal, and this is the task in hand. Now, having said that, closer inspection shows I need to search out a new pot and obtain some fresh ericaceous compost, which is another task for next week. Axis frame refixed, but not before we hoe the area down, and we're now ready to go home. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the upload. Thumbs up are welcome, but I do like to read your comments, and if not already subscribed, please do so, and for future notifications press the bell icon. But till next week, take care and bye.